Namaste students, welcome to our today's video, the solid state part 5 on close packed structures from chapter 1 class 12 chemistry part 1. Let's discuss close packed structure. Close packing. In solid, the constituent particles, atoms, ions or molecules get closely packed together, leaving the minimum vacant space. This is called close packing. Now, packing of spheres of equal size may be discussed as follows. Close packing in one dimension can be obtained by arranging spheres in a row and touching each other. Coordination number. The number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called its coordination number. Suppose here in one-dimensional close-packed structures, each particle has two nearest neighbors. So that coordination number for one-dimensional close-packed structure is 2. Now we'll see close packing in 2 dimension by stacking the rows of close packed spheres. This can be done in 2 different ways. Number 1, square close packing or SCP. Spheres of the second row are placed exactly above the spheres of that first row. Here, the spheres of the 2 rows are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. If we call the first row as A-type row, the second row being exactly the same as the first one is also called A-type. Similarly, we may place more rows to obtain A type of arrangement. So this crystal lattice has A type arrangement. Now since each sphere is contact with 4 other spheres in the same plane, and on joining the centers of the 4 spheres, a square is formed. This type of packing is called 2-dimensional square close packing. Now each sphere has 4 nearest neighbors. So that's why 2-dimensional coordination number of square close packing is 4. In hexagonal close packing, spheres of the second row are placed in the depressions of the spheres of the first row. So the spheres of the second row fit in the depressions of the first row. If the arrangement in first row is called A-type, the one in the second row is different and may be called B-type. The spheres of the third row placed adjacent to the second in staggered manner are aligned with those of the first layer. Means this first layer is exactly same to that third one. So this spheres of that first layer is matching with that spheres of third layer. Again you see that the second layer B type is exactly similar to that of fourth layer. Means that arrangements of the spheres in fourth layer is same as that of second layer. The spheres of the third row placed adjacent to the second in staggered manner are aligned with those of the first layer. The spheres of similarly placed fourth row is aligned with those of the second row. This type of arrangement, that is AB-AB type, is more efficient than square close packing. Now, since each sphere is in contact with 6 other spheres, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in the same plane, and on joining the corners of the 6 spheres, a regular hexagon is formed. This one is that hexagon. This type of packing is called two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Here, each sphere has 6 nearest neighbors. So the two-dimensional coordination number for hexagonal close packing is 6. The voids formed between the spheres has triangular shape. So the voids forms are triangular in shape. In first layer, the triangular voids has apex downward. In second layer, the void has apex upward. Again see, in third layer, this void is in apex is downward. Fourth layer, void is upward. So that triangular shaped voids has difference in different layers. In some case, apex is downward, in other case, apex is upward. Now we'll see close packing in 3 dimension by stacking the 2-dimensional layers one above the other. This can be obtained in 2 different ways. Number 1, the 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional square close packed layers. If the 2-dimensional square close packs layers are placed such that the spheres of the second layer is just above the spheres of the first layer, then that square close packed structure is obtained. The second layer is placed over the first layer such that the spheres of both the layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. If the arrangements of spheres in the first layer is called A-type, all the layers have the same arrangement. Thus, this lattice has A-type arrangements or pattern. This lattice thus generated is the simple cubic lattice and its unit cell is the primitive cubic unit cell. Now we'll see the 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed layers. This can be obtained from 3-dimensional close packed structure. 3-dimensional close packed structure can be generated by placing 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed structure over the other. Placing second layer over the first layer. Suppose this is the first layer of 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed structure A-type, and this is the hexagonal close packed structures of second layer, B type. Then spheres of this layer B are placed in the depressions of the first layer A. Then two types of gap formed, which is called interstitial space. One is octahedral and another is tetrahedral. So what is this tetrahedral void? A sphere of the second layer is above the void of the first layer. This is the void in the first layer, and the sphere of the second layer is placed over this void. A tetrahedral void is formed. These voids are called tetrahedral voids because a tetrahedron is formed when the centers of these four spheres are joined. Suppose these three are the spheres from the first layer, and this is the sphere from the second layer. The triangular shaped gap between these three spheres is covered by the spheres of the second layer. Now here, if we join the centers of all these four spheres, then we will get one tetrahedral void. This is the shape of this void. Another type of void is formed, which is called octahedral voids. When the spheres of the second layer is placed such that the triangular voids in the second layer are above the triangular voids in the first layer, means that is the triangular void for first layer, and the triangular void of second layer is placed just above the void of the first layer, and the triangular spheres of these voids do not overlap because apex of one triangular is downward, another is upward. Such voids are surrounded by 6 spheres and are called octahedral voids. If we join all this, we will get an octahedral void. The number of two types of voids depends upon the number of close packed spheres. There are two tetrahedral voids for each spheres, one octahedral voids for each spheres. That is, if the number of close packed spheres be n, then the number of octahedral voids will be twice n. And if the number of close packed spheres be n, then number of octahedral voids will be n. That is, there are two tetrahedral voids for each sphere and one octahedral voids for each sphere. Now we will see placing the third layer over the first layer. Now third layers can be built up by placing spheres above tetrahedral voids or octahedral voids. There are two types of arrangement is possible. Number one is covering the tetrahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids of second layer are covered by the spheres of the third layer. Suppose this is that first layer A, this is the second layer B, and in second layer B there is a tetrahedral void forms which is covered by the spheres of third layer. The spheres of the third layer are exactly aligned with those of the first layer. Here the third layer is exactly aligned with first layer. So both we are representing as A. This pattern of sphere is repeated in alternate layers. That second layer is different from that first layer. So this we are calling it is B type. So this lattice has AB type pattern. This structure is called hexagonal close packed or HCP structure. Now we'll see covering octahedral voids. The spheres of the third layer covers the octahedral voids. The spheres of the third layer cover the octahedral voids. In this case, the spheres of the third layer are not aligned with those of either the first or the second layer. C type. Suppose this is that third layer. Only when fourth layer is placed, its spheres are aligned with the first layer. So this lattice has ABC type pattern. This structure is called cubic close packed or CCP or face centered cubic or FCC structure. Both HCP and CCP are highly efficient and 74% space in the crystal is filled. Here coordinations number in both HCP and CCP is 12. Six spheres in its same layer and 3 spheres from above and another 3 from below. 12 number of neighbors are there. So the coordinations number in both HCP and CCP is 12.